Blood in your cough. Now, blood in your cough is a scary scenario, but a lot of times, because of vigorous brushing of the teeth, the gums might bleed and that blood might come in your cough. Secondly, because of vigorous coughing, sometimes that is associated with a lot of throat pain, the blood might come out into the cough. But mainly, pathologically speaking, because of some diseases, blood can also come in your cough, namely tuberculosis, TB in India. Second, lung cancer. And third, asthma patients who have a certain fungal infection inside their lungs can also have blood in their cough. So always learn to visit your doctor when you see blood in your cough. You will require some antibiotics, medicines to stop the blood, medicines to suppress the cough, and of course a chest x-ray.